We decided to partner with BigID based upon the kind of customer concentration and growth that the company has really had. As a data security and data governance provider as well, following the customers, seeing the growth that BigID has had, it's been very exciting, and we want to make sure that we're a part of their story. Our experience building for the marketplace was very positive. The BigID team was very helpful to get started, well-documented APIs. Marketplace listing was very simple to get up and running. We essentially had no issues and were integrated within 2 weeks. So some of the key takeaways for us when we were looking at doing this integration, and one of the major goals was delivering time to value for the customers. We've heard over and over again how data governance projects, especially security ones, can drag on and drag on and drag on. And our platform and BigID's platform is specifically built as SaaS platforms with very rich APIs to deliver time to value very, very quickly for customers. When you want to build confidence for customers to move data into a platform like Snowflake, thinking about how BigID's platform plays a role in that is really kind of helping the customers first understand what data that they're about to move in, mapping that data to any business requirements or business considerations that have to be placed over that data, and then confidently showing them that with integrations like BigID, Snowflake, and ALTR, that data can be protected at rest, in motion, in use, but most importantly, all of this can be automated and applied seamlessly with just a few clicks of your mouse. When we think about the integration that we have with BigID, it's really important, again, kind of going back to some of the other discussions that we've had today, to be focused on that end customer experience. And that end customer experience not only is usability, but it's also understanding cost, and it's understanding scale, and understanding automation and ease of use. And so unfortunately, all the probably Gartner buzzwords that you hear everywhere, they are true, they do matter. And that's kind of ALTR and BigID's focus together here, is to make sure that we're delivering a solution that meets all these requirements and does it in a cost-effective and scalable way.